So this is a Protec 1 padlock. Show the key working really quick. Show it the side person as well. I'm going to be picking this lock with my Protec 1 Protec 2 pick, which also works on Protec 1. Let me just insert it here. Come on. Why is this being so difficult? There we go. Lock still closed, as you can see. You feel when you overset the disc, so you kind of just have to map it out how the discs are supposed to go, and then you need to reset, pick it, reset, pick it. So it's really a lengthy process picking these things here. I have done it a couple of times on this lock here, not on video though, so I'm going to do it on video. But I do not remember where everything is supposed to go. There's just so many moving things in this lock. It's ridiculous. Come on, there we go. So that is the Protec 1 picked. I'm just going to extract tool. Come on. Tool doesn't want to extract. There we go. Extracted now. I'm going to be putting the tool away. As you can see, the lock is open. Let's go and get to the cutting arrow. Let's keep the lock in frame as well. Still open, by the way. I have the set screw out right there, so that the video can be a little bit shorter. If only my picking wasn't as bad as it was. Okay picking Protec locks. I'm definitely above average, but I am certainly not the best at picking these locks. So I'm going to just show you that the guts are in here. It's the first layer of security. These are just the key controllers. Let's go and get this like that. Key controllers. Here's another key controller. Let's go and remove this thing here. Okay, I may have to lock it back up. There we go. Here's the sidebar, by the way, completely unmodified, as you can see. Gonna put that there. You will not get the discs were picked, they're not anymore because I reset it. There's some scotch tape around here that I put on. This is just so that it doesn't fall apart when I take it out, because if you don't have it, it will fall apart and it will be pretty messy. So I'm gonna take that off. Locksmiths also use this, so it doesn't compromise the lock. This is the disc controller. I'm gonna put that right there. And this is the first spacer. Gonna put that right there. Let's go and get out all of the discs. Standard disc, copper spacer, standard disc, steel spacer, standard disc, copper spacer, standard disc. No, this is not the standard disc. That disc directly corresponds with the return bar and disc controller. Makes for smoother operation and also helps lock the discs in place while the lock is being turned. Not a standard disc, excuse me. Standard disc, steel, standard disc. Again. Oh, come on. There we go. There are two different types of cylinders for this. There's the easier one, which is in deadbolts, and there's the hard one, which is in padlocks. I do not have one for deadbolts, but they're said to be easier to tension. But Protec ones are not really hard to tension anyways. Other than that, it doesn't really make much difference. And this is the last thing inside the lock. See if I can get that out of there. There we go. That's the last thing. Gonna put that right there. And this is the gets inside of the lock. So we have the shackle, nice 14mm Born alloy shackle, 2 balls, and the actuator. So I'm gonna put that right there. And there's that. Yeah, and that's it. So Protec 1 picked and gutted. Thanks to you a lot for watching.